Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your OPPO A77s louder. So, first we have to go to the Play Store. Then go to the search bar and look for the volume app. Choose one of them. I'm using the booster from the Goodif app. So, tap on the open and the tool is active now. You can increase and decrease the volume booster on this slider. So just at this turn is 60% is max, and now if you're ready, click just on the tab on the home screen. And the tool is still active in the background apps. Remember, if you close the app from the background apps, the tool is still active. So if you want to disable it, open the application from the background apps or home screen, choose stop service and click OK. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.